So you make a triangle. Alright, if you need help, tell me. Okay, so it should look like that. Right? Just fold the tape triangle down. Take the top, fold it down. Alright, kind of tuck it in behind. And there. You are. Alright? So you gotta turn it around. So remember, flip it. Flip it. So did you flip it? Yeah. Perfect! Perfect, Gutsy, you got it! Excellent, Gutsy. Yeah, show both. Yeah. Yeah, look at that. It's beautiful. You did great. Alright, let's see. Very nice, did you? Excellent. Yeah, all right now.
M-A-R-K, mark for future. M-A-R-K, mark for future. Welcome parents and students too. It's nice to meet you. Without further ado, it's M-A-R-K, mark for future. Please come inside and look around here. The students' exploits year after year. Japan, Singapore and Bangkok too. Performing with experts in LA.